Child climate justice activist 𝐶𝐤𝐿 accorded rousing welcome at Moirang. KangChanura hands out relief materials to relief camps in Thoubal district. And Romita of Khongman Zone 2 committed suicide. Father not involved, says daughter. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. Child climate justice activist 𝐶𝐤𝐿 has been accorded a rousing welcome during her visit at Moirang last night. Large number of residents of Moirang Konjengbam Laikai, Kumbam Laikai and Moirang Langkai welcomed 𝐶𝐶 by lighting candles. Speaking on the occasion, 𝐶𝐶 expressed delight at the warm welcome accorded to her by the people. At the same time, expressed sorrow at all the unfortunate incidents taking place in the state since the ethnic violence broke out in May. She said her visit to the state is to encourage the people to join hands in bringing justice.
Justice fight one together peace peace government of India push forward violence Manipur si violence si lephanaba aduga ai conference ning chatpado ai speech review meetings tu chatpa khotpega bado ai map choba prime minister president kum na bado ai ati manipur ki toiba thodo ngai je violence dungi no heart pa khona baje deforestation poppy drug plant khona baje ai loi asing babari nu loi ligi loi haigi ne hoi pu hoi bobo hoi dada hoi ki awaba ngai do ai na loi moi de ligi ai na dumada sing wari do ina mo de loi haigi adubu ai la khata hai ba ji yaro akhoi myam punna ama oina ai am ko haiji rakke fight to ba ma changi adu ma na ko si fight ta punna one on yari akhoi si fight to win to bani akhoi justice phangani akhoi the peace dila kani adu ye myam ai ga fight to mina jeko akhoi myam akhoi punna one on together on fight to jeko.
She is a 𝐶𝐤𝐻 Rashnes, daughter of late Langpok Lakpam Ningol Romita, wife of 𝐶𝐤𝐻 Bidyananda of Khongman Zone 2, has termed the statement made yesterday by her mother's family about Romita's death in suspicious circumstance on December 5 as baseless. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Rashnes said there was no argument between her mother and father on the day her mother died. Rubbishing the claim of her mother's family from Kanto Sabal that Romita was killed by her husband, Rashnes clarified that no commotion or argument happened in the family on the day, but she was found hanging herself to death in the house. As soon as they found her, the family members, including her father, rushed her to JESSY. Later, she was pronounced dead at JESSY. Rashnes maintained that her father has connection whatsoever with her mother's death.
Mamagi mapamnum deki hai kilometer aran bani aduni mitida ai isama present tawi baba ka mama ka khana chaina ba ambu yaw khide baba ka ina ba ka sengang tunga ga amka thokhige no shan ta boda mama na angang do thama mo chat ke sunang chat ko ai ma tam baba na ya tibida baba ka ina ba singa mu chat kha batungda mama so lo shalaga thokre ai di ai isa no ai tabigi ai ka da hippaga leizabane mama do halaga main door lo manungdagi close tormane tormaga manungda mathanda suicide tauramani babaga inaupa gana thong thelakpasida aina thong hangaga aina thongana mag ai kada mu changge dawda babana ai ming palaga nang kem ho hodrabana lawpa aina chang mama do fenda matanda heng taurame tada babaga ai gana even kan baya hauragadi na lokthaba matamda aina mama gi makhong do paraga babana naksam de yedi bada lokthokpada mama na weto lumba henman badagi amuka mama gi makokto amuka lebak makhada kanna yesangre amuka dagi hamungda thamaga akoi nakanda leiba dadaw koi babana kauraga hospital da pukhatpada nurse na leitre na hai ai ji yamna nungaiti ma ga tana dana kona dana tawgada punamak to amada sunang hongdre ai isana bigi mayimda leiru dana manumit to ai thek je thena hongdre mana pukhat thaba matunga kaina thamda ai yumda yawai yang baga chanpiga tawdana prabna ha gari manungda wanthoga dana lakna dana ai tawdana yumda yawro khibani adudagi ngasi bawda isa se ai sor thi holaga ai ana haibada ai oidna leirabani adunane ibungo nokhoi meyanane aigi imogdo adugi masado amuktadi media na ta pambidane aigi kutusinabi o masani si sanskar yawhange asokoi ba matamse nirin sanduda dom patada leirabani aigi mawno bido ayaga anu nungaiti ayamna matengam to pangbiyu ko.
Volunteers of KangChanura distributed essential items at different relief camps in Thoubal district today. The items include stationery items for children, winter clothing, sanitary pad, etc. Speaking to media person, a member of KangChanura, Amom Chanu said, the items were distributed with an objective of providing possible assistance to persons of the valley who have been affected by the present crisis. She said KangChanura had earlier extended help at relief camps in Bishnupur district.
Asi akoina lakchari se KangChanura timdagine mamang da Bishnupur district oina relief camp around 15 mukti ko yuzarure aduga handaksina Thoubal district oina lakchabane adu ngasi se koi ayukki pung mapan dagi start torokpane si haji lai jai jona kodom bokpi gidane silor matung koi haji ki oina yari program da chatna basem sajari aduga ngasi se koina pujarai be polam sing sidi maroina sanitary pad nupi gi oiba aduga ingam dagi firol adagi anga singilari notebook pencil na chingba pujaraga lakchabane manipuri ma'am amna akoi bu thajabiduna mating ma'am to bire moina pibira ko polam sing adu akoina relief camp ahom khara da akoina yoksanjaba ngamnaba hotnajabani May 3 dagi horai ba irang asida awana ma'am ama taraba kun ma'am dagi laaga ngasi relief camp mafang khuding makta leiba sida akoi gi KangChanura timda angamba khara dang tawjage haina thawangjari.
A free naturopathy health camp on the theme Naturopathy for Holistic Health and in connection with the 6th Naturopathy Day 2023 was held at Old Age Home 𝐶𝐤𝐸 Relief Camp located at 𝐶𝐤𝐸 Panjao Palum today. Banga SWR Campaign, which kicked off on November 1 and to be continued till December 31, was also held on the occasion. The camp was organized by Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital, Machinmanauching, 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂 Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association, 𝐶𝐤𝐸, under the aegis of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Surya Foundation, International Naturopathy Organization. Secretary of Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association, 𝐶𝐤𝐸, Dr. Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, President of Senior Citizens Forum, 𝐶𝐤𝐸, and Nimai Singh, Vice Chairman of Peace Committee District Administration, 𝐶𝐤𝐸, 𝐁𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂, Co-Convener of the Committee, 𝐾𝐢𝐸𝐸, MO Ayush PHC 𝐶𝐤𝐸, Dr. N. Ambrabati, MO Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital, 𝐶𝐤𝐸, Dr. Y. Rajesh, Dr. N. Sanyarika were the main guests at the camp. Manipur's Jairaj Ningombam and Chitrakanan Thodang will be participating in Mr. India 2023 to be held for 5 days in Maharashtra's Sangli district organized by Global Model India. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, 𝐂𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐿 said, Mr. India 2023 is the second Mr. India competition organized by Global Model India. The grand finale of the competition will be held in Maharashtra's Sangli district on 24th of this month. Stating that 2 persons representing Manipur in the competition is a pride for the state, 𝐂𝐿𝐻 sought blessings from the people of Manipur for the competition.
Mr. India second edition Mr. India Manipur represent Mr. India the second edition director Sir Amar na proud
𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 Relief Committee has expressed gratitude to all those who extended help through Google Pay for treatment of Lamdum Deia, 11, whose house has been burnt down by Kuki terrorists during the state crisis and has been currently undergoing treatment for renal disease since May 24. The girl is now at bed number 27 of Women Medicine Ward, 𝐁𝐫𝐸's 4th floor. The committee also thanked Abonlui Chawang residing in China, who extended 10,000 financial assistance today for Deia's treatment. The committee also appealed to the people to continue extend help for Deia's treatment at her mother's Laishram Sanathoy Devi's GPay number, that is 8132827565. I repeat, 8132827565. The General Administration Department, Government of Manipur, has announced one-day state mourning date following the demise of Emir of Kuwait Sheikh Naif Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah. An order issued by Deputy Secretary of General Administration Department, Assam Regina Chanu, said during the period of state mourning on December 17, the national flag will be flown at half-mast in all government office building, where it is flown regularly, and there will be no official entertainment. 𝐿HAM Research and Publishing Center has released a book titled 𝐶𝐻𝐸 Aran Khubamgi Lambi, written by 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐿 at a function at Manipur Press Club today. Vice President of Jamaati Ulama-e-Hind Manipur, Hazrat Maulana Mufti Siraj Ahmad Kashmi, and retired ISMA Sattar graced the event as a chief guest, president and guest of honor respectively. Speaking on the occasion, author 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐿 said, "Humankind is the greatest creation of God sent to the world with a sublime purpose and endowed mankind with the free will, the ability to make choices and take decisions. More can be learned by reading the book released today," he said.
Larik asigi mamingna tasawuf sabilun nizat haibati tasawuf aran khubamgi lambi haibani. Larik sine piriba message si miyobi mahusa si sokot panai duga masigi sokot anabagi lambi asi tasawuf haiba sida mayek seng tai. Miyobi se thaglon ahum da kakat payai mi amasung sagi nature da laiba ama miyobi gi aseng ba nature ama amasung miyobi gi athoi ba nature ama adugum athoi ba nature adu yognabagi damakta lambi adu islam ne yat pasi tasawuf ni haina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯀꯨꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯍꯗꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯁꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ.
President of all Assam Manipuri Meira Paipi Apunba Loop Ampal, Benny Mishra, has announced yesterday that she will not attend the function to be held on Chief Minister's bungalow of Manipur and Biren's arrival at Koiran Silchar in Assam today. President of Ampal, Benny Mishra, stated that her name was included in the invitation card of the Chief Minister's program without her knowledge. As such, she will not attend the program, she said.
Manipur Chief Minister na ayeng Koiran da lakana na tawriba sida ay sagi ming Benny Mishra si baton da ay aya bajaw da na hapapa sida ayeng Chief Minister gi ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
Expressed his deep concern over the parliament security breach, calling it a serious matter. The Prime Minister, in an interview with a newspaper, urged political parties to refrain from politicizing the issue as it is a matter of national security. Modi said that the Speaker of Lok Sabha has ordered an investigation and the conspiracy will be exposed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling the parliament security breach unfortunate and worrisome, said the investigative agencies are conducting a thorough investigation. He said a deep investigation of the breach is needed to find a solution so that it cannot happen again. The Prime Minister said it is important to know the intentions of the accused and elements active behind the incident. Modi also appealed to the opposition parties to play a constructive role in Parliament as proceedings of both houses have been adjourned in the last 2 days of the current session over the issue. The security breach in Parliament occurred on Wednesday last when two intruders entered Lok Sabha from the visitors' gallery, releasing yellow smoke from canisters. Scientists across the world are worried about a new Covid19 variant that could be more infectious than previous variants. The JN1 strain of coronavirus has recently been detected in Kerala. The case was detected in an RT-PCR positive sample from Karnakulam in Thiruvananthapuram district of the southern state on December 8. The 79-year-old woman who had mild symptoms of influenza like illness, ILI, and has since recovered from COVID. This variant is causing a surge in infections worldwide yet again and raising alarm bells among health authorities. There has been an increase in the number of COVID cases in Kerala for the past few weeks. Presently, there are 1,324 COVID cases in the state, which is the highest in the country. Kerala State Health Minister Veena George said that there is no situation of panic and that the situation is being closely monitored and vigilance is required, especially in patients with comorbidities. Meanwhile, the Union Health Ministry said that it is in constant touch with the State Health Department and monitoring all the steps. And before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Child climate justice activist 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂 accorded rousing welcome at Moirang. KangChanura hands out relief materials to relief camps in Thoubal district. And Romita of Koman Zone 2 committed suicide. Father not involved, says daughter. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.